Today I'm going to show you the decrease called slip, slip, knit, which is commonly abbreviated as an SSK. You will take your first stitch and you will slip it as if to knit. You'll go to the second stitch and you will slip it as if to knit. You will then take your left hand needle and you will put it into the front legs of those two stitches you just slipped, so that your right hand needle is now with the back legs on it and you are knitting those back legs together. That's your slip, slip, knit. Let me show you that again. So you slip as if to knit, you slip as if to knit, put your left needle in the two front legs and knit through the back loops. That is slip, slip, knit.